This executive residential rental features 3 full bedroom plus office/den 3 full baths in the gated community of Tuscana. Upon arrival, one is welcomed by the open layout, the beautiful floorings, high ceilings and the numerous upgrades. The pocket sliding glass doors reveal the tranquil pool and outdoor kitchen for the family to enjoy. Thoughtful design provides for an abundance of living and dining spaces that flow seamlessly to the home's large central kitchen featuring custom richwood cabinetry, granite countertops, island, bar seating, and breakfast area. The family room features glass doors that open completely to the outdoor kitchen with a gas fireplace and pool area. The master suite offers a lavish bathroom, separate vanities and 2 walk-in closets. Located within minutes for you to enjoy shopping, restaurants, schools, health care, and easy access to I-75. Only 20 minutes to Siesta Key Beach, the #1 beach in the U.S., and downtown Sarasota. Available for immediate occupancy.